the moment I've got the Aria Oslo logo as text, how do I make it an image like we have on the final site? Well, what I want to do is actually export this image out. Now it's at the right size. It looks pretty good on my design. How do I go about doing that? So what I'm going to go and do is select this site logo area on my site, of course, and then I'm going to go into this export setting at the bottom of the page. And what I'm going to do is talk about the export settings here. Now, because this is a vector logo, what I'm actually going to change it to is an SVG, a scalable vector graphic. And what this means is I can make it bigger or smaller as I like, and it doesn't pixelate. Other things like PNG and JPEG do pixelate, so we have to actually put them at the right size. We'll talk about that a little bit later. So for this one, because it's a vector logo, we're going to do it as an SVG. So I'm going to export this, and this will currently live in my downloads. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag this over to my desktop. And what I need to do is add this to my project somehow. How do I add it to my project? I'm going to go back into my editor and I'm going to drag it into my project like this. There we go, Aria Oslo. And what I can do is add this into my code by going to index.html and replacing this text with whatever I like. Well, what do I want to put in here? What I want to put inside here is an image. Now, an image tag in HTML looks like this. We use the angle brackets and then img. When I close this, why isn't there a closing tag like every other tag that we've added? So the A tag has a close A tag, the nav has a closed nav, the header has a closed header. Image doesn't, because it can't add any more content inside of it. So it just lives on its own. This is basically a single tag. What I want to do on the image is pull in which image we're talking about. Which image are we talking about in this case? Site-logo.svg. So here what I'm going to do is just add a space after the G and then write src. We're pulling it into the page. The source of the image is this. Now this is short because back in the day, back in the 80s when HTML was just invented, they wanted to save as many bytes as possible. So they said src instead of source. And this is going to be equal to, in quotes, the site-logo.svg. I can actually select it in here as well, just for speed, site-logo.svg. Now what I'll see on the site is, if I go to preview, is we have the Aria Oslo logo. Now there's one more thing I just quickly want to add in, which is called an alt attribute, and that basically gives us more advantages. So basically at the moment, site logo doesn't mean anything. So if I'm Google and I'm looking over at this website, I don't know what this image actually is. So for this, what I want to add is some extra alternative information to tell us what this image actually is. This is good for SEO. It's also really good for accessibility as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the end, not quite the end, just this angle tag, and add a space. So I've got this angle tag still with me. I want to add the word alt, and this is going to equal, in quotes, a description of what this image actually is. So this is good for your search results, this is good for accessibility, it's good for Google Images as well, for instance. This is the Aria Oslo logo. So this just gives us a bit more of a description about what this is. So if we look now, it doesn't make any difference. It is a good thing to add in. It does add a bit of accessibility and SEO for us as well, search engine optimization. We'll talk about that a little bit later. But what we want to do next is we want to kind of fix this layout. It's okay. It's not exactly what we need. We kind of want to go towards a little bit more like this. So that's the next thing we're going to do. We're going to start fixing this layout.